here's the sheet that we will be working off of. It's already been provided to you. So you can follow along and you can do this task on your side. Pause the video wherever you need to understand things better. And the first task we're going to do is the vlookup task. So that was to give the store numbers a name and to follow this particular format. So let's get into it. So in order to give the store name, I'll create a column called store name. And then I'll start writing my formula. All formulas in Excel start with an equal to. So that's what I've written first. Then I'll start writing the formula. As you can see, Excel starts to give you recommendations of formulas that you may be able to use that start with a V. So you can either click this or actually type it out. In this instance, I'll click that. And as soon as I click it, you can see it actually gives me a recommendation on how to write the formula. So let's follow that. That's the lookup value. So we need to look up the store location. So click on the store location, put a comma, and then we need to select the table array, which is this table over here. And then we need to select the column that we're comparing. So if there was like 6 or 7 columns, then we would have given the exact column number that we're comparing. Here we're comparing column number 2 or column B. So we'll put in number 2. And then we'll put in a false because we need a true value and we need it to compare exact spellings and exact capitalizations. That's it. So we lock the formula in and we press enter, and there you go. The store location has been copied. And now we just pull down the formula. You can either do it by pressing this button. Now you can see these first few cells have the formula, but the rest of them don't. And that's because it's comparing a range that's outside the table array. So what we need to do is go to the first cell, go to the table array, and then just lock it. And the way we lock it is using dollar signs before the column number and the column alphabet. There we go. And now we just copy it down. As you can see, all of the stores have now been entered. So now, just to ensure that we don't overwrite the formula, we usually can copy and paste values. So I just copied it and now I pasted it. And now you see I get an option over here. You click that option and just hit paste values. All right. So now you can see there's no formula behind these cells. It's the actual text. And now we can ensure that that will not get overwritten if somebody happens to make changes to this sheet. All right. So that was vlookup, and I'll catch you on the next task.